guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be talking about recursion, uh, and I'll be taking one example of recursion here. So basically, recursion is nothing but becoming very lazy and letting the code do its work, right? So a simple example of recursion I'll take is factorial. So what happens in a factorial is, let's say I have 5 as a number and I say I want a factorial of 5. So what does it means is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Like that it will multiply, right? Multiplication happens. So if I talk this in mathematical terms, I have an n value. I want the factorial of n. I'll say n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3, right? Okay, so now I'll just start with the recursion. Let's say we want a factorial. I'll say fact. Okay, I want a factorial which takes a value n and it returns something. So hope you guys have seen my previous videos where I have discussed about functions, right? Yeah, so now what this will return is, it will return n into factorial of n minus 1. See, every time whenever it runs is, it will reduce 1, right? 5 4 3 2 1, like that. Now if this happens continuously at 1, we don't want it to go beyond 1, right? So we'll say is, if n equals to 1, right? If n is equals to 1, just return 1, right? Now if I'll say fmt dot print ln, okay, now if I'll say factorial of 5, let's see what we get. We got 120, right? Factorial of 5, 5 4 3 2 1, we got 120. Let's say factorial of 6, we got 720, right? So this is how it works. This is a basic example of recursion. Hope you guys like it. Please let me know if you face any difficulty, and do comment guys, do like and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.